For more videos like this, please subscribe.
YouTube, Troystarz trucking. Apologize for my voice is hoarse. But I just want to say to you guys, thank you guys for still being here. I know I've been off for a while. And I have a lot of content coming up for the reason why I was off. And also I have some important things that I want to talk about, and also some challenges I've been going through. I'm gonna release that video after this one, you know what I mean? Because this one is just a revival video, and also a quick fix from a previous fix that I thought I had, or I thought I did, right? But one of my subscribers, I'm gonna talk about him shortly. He leave a comment under that video stating his concern and his reason why he think it would be something else, right? Like I said, I'm going to talk about that, so please stay tuned. So yeah, yes guys, this is, like I said, Troystarz trucking, right? I'm still at it, right? I'm here. I didn't leave. I didn't done with YouTube, you know what I mean? And also want to celebrate my 20,000 subscribers. I just want to say thank you guys so much. I don't want to say big respect to Soulflow TV for, you know, keep on promoting my channel on his channel. And you know, you guys can go ahead and check out Soulflow TV. I'm going to leave a link for his channel in the description, you know what I mean? But his support another Jamaican fella like myself, but he's living in Florida, doing more about news type of thing and more. It's like he's doing a lot of, for me, it's an educational vibes for every morning. That's what he do on his channel. For 6:30 you can expect to see him live on his channel talk about anything, like talk, you know, things that, I mean, you want to pay attention to. So, you know what I mean? I'm there every morning. That's where I'm at. Getting ready for work. I'm listening, going out to start my truck to preach it. I'm still listening with my ear set and everything. You know what I mean? It's a good vibes on his channel. So I just want to give him a big respect for the support, and you know, and also the new subscribers that, you know, find my channel recently, you know what I mean, and sticking around and, you know, watching back over some videos that I did long time ago and leaving comments and stuff. I just want to say thank you guys. And the biggest respect I want to give out is for the ones from day one, the day one subscribers, the ones that find the channel from the beginning, when I don't even understand what I'm doing. Those guys was here right through up to now. They watch me grow. I just want to say thank you so much, guys. Thank you for the support. Anyway, back to what I was saying. Let me take my phone out because I want to give that this is sometime when I do videos, right? I normally advise everyone to take a look in the comment section and read, you know what I mean, and leave your thoughts also. And that's definitely what this subscriber did, right? I don't know if he's a subscriber or he's just a viewer, right? But he leave a comment based on the video. So let me go back in track so you guys could follow up where I'm coming from, right? So this is it. I had an mechanical incident with the truck, which one of my wheel was dragging, right? Leaving skid mark on the road, burn out two of my drive tires at the far back, right? Drive tires, yeah. And my concern was various of why it happened, right? Now, I took it to a mechanic shop that is well known, that was recommended, because like I said, sometimes when you get the breakdowns, you have to find a mechanic shop close by where you are and go there to get your stuff done, because it's not every time you can go by your personal mechanic that you use, right? So that's what I did, and to be honest, they didn't remove the brake drum or anything. They just continue telling me to press and release. I get in there to get a brake problem solved. I didn't tell them about engine jet or anything, but they put the computer on my truck. I don't know what they were. I don't know if it's something different or whatnot. Remember, I'm not a mechanic. I'm a truck driver. I'm just learning along the way, right? I'm going to talk about that soon also. Leave out with that first checkup that they did, because they told me everything was okay. Now they go for a grease gun, they grease the slack adjuster, because they were saying something about grease. But I know I greased my truck like 2 weeks before, but I was just, like I said, it's a mechanic, so I assume they know exactly what they're talking about at times, right? So anyway, that was said, I leave the shop. But it's like this, it's like the slack adjuster, now that I know this, I'm just saying, it's like the slack adjuster was over tightening too much, like, you know, when you, because, you know, it adjusted, you know, the new stock adjusters adjust themselves, right? So when it's malfunctioning, it will adjust a little bit too tight than the rest, and that one would be the one that is default, basically. So that's what was going on. So that being said, I leave the day after I finished, get the truck checked, and 2 days after, the same thing started again after I released the trailer from the truck. The loaded trailer I released, and I was bobtailing, I started to get that jog. Then I take it to a local, this was a local on-call mechanic that I saw coming to fix some trailer brakes and stuff. So I said, okay, this guy is, you know what he's doing, in a sense where I'm saying he is, you know, doing brakes, so he should be familiar with, yeah. But anyway, he pulled the brake drum off. He said it was some brake dust thing, and he blew it up with a air gun and whatnot, and he was looking over the springs and stuff like that, you know what I mean? Because my concern was the first shop that I went to didn't take the brake drum off. They just greased the stack adjuster, tell me to press up and down, whatnot, and release me. This guy now, he take the brake drum off, he inspect, he look at the inside, he show me what's going on. I look at it myself, you know. Why I stop is like I'm saying, I look at it myself. I'm no mechanic, I know, but I know how it's supposed to be like, but I'm not, I can't just look at it and be like, okay, that's not good. They'd have to tell me that, you know what I mean? Or point it out to me, and then I will learn from there. Now, in the comment section, after I released that video, I got a message from one of my subscribers. So I'm gonna read the text message that I got from my subscriber, right? His name, hopefully I'm pronouncing this, it's like Arcasaurus Vlogs, right? I'm gonna put this what I'm reading now on the screen so you guys could check it out, right? So Arcasaurus Vlogs, he said, blessings, the issue with the wheel moving with the trailer and not moving without the weight. When you have a trailer on it, going to move because of the weight of the trailer. When there's no weight, it's going to drag. I would check the slack adjuster and S-cam. Brake dust is the first for me. Hope that was your issue, brother. Stay up. That's what that's what he said. And I respond to that message, and I said, thanks for the feedback. I'm keeping an eye on it. I'm keeping a close eye on it. So that being said, that subscriber was correct based on what is happening now, because I get the slack adjuster, a brand new slack adjuster, right? I got it changed. So this is like what you call it now, I'm looking for the word, when I find it I'll tell you guys. But yeah, this is errors and trials, yeah, whatever that word is, you know what I'm saying, errors and trials, yeah. So this is what happening. So I learned something today that I didn't know, right? And thanks to that subscriber, I really was taking a closer look. So I started asking questions based on that specific thing when the issue arrived. So what happened? What happened was I picked up a load driving. It came down to a stop sign. The load was heavy, so I had to use XX brake to stop. That stop sign came up on me, guys. That stop sign came up on me. But anyway, I stop and then move. Then when I'm driving, right, I'm always checking my rearview mirrors to see what's going on. You know, that's how a professional driver should do things. But I continue seeing this white. At first, it was like dust. Okay, you know, normally we'll go over something. you see that the dust blow from the side. So, you know, you look at it and you're like, but it was too white. And I'm like, no, something is not right. So I start paying more attention to, because it's on the passenger side, so I'm looking in the rear view. So I'm paying more attention to the side glass to see what's going on, and looking in front of me to see if I'm running over some white powder or something to cause that dust or smoke going on at the back, and it wasn't. So I pull over and I stop. When I get out, the brake was actually burning, so my truck almost caught on fire. My truck almost caught on fire, guys. So it didn't caught on fire, but it was smoking. Even when I stopped, it was still seeing that smoke, and the smoke is coming like it's ready to build, it's ready to start, right? But it was the slack adjuster that tightened too much and clamped the brake onto the brake shoe onto the brake drum, and it's the only wheel stopping and the other wheels are moving. So you call iron and iron, you know, rubbing together, fire is next, right? So it's a good thing I was paying attention and stuff like that, else it would be a different story today, right? So I get the slack adjuster change, so we're good to go again. So I just want to give you guys that update on what happening, and slack adjuster was the issue, and that's about it, you know what I mean? Now, what I wanted to mention now is, sometimes I'm doing this type of video and you will have someone, not I'm paying them any attention. I mean, like the people that leave comments and want to be like, they know it all, you know what I mean? Those ones that know it all, and, you know, leave some, you know, some comments. They're trying to be smart ass, you know? They're trying to be like, you're stupid and they know it all. Like, they weren't in your position before. Like, they just born and know everything about truck. Or no, we learn to drive and we take our time to learn about the truck. Why I'm saying this? I'm saying this because I don't want none of you guys to feel discouraged of trying to own a truck because you don't have the knowledge of a truck. You will learn. I didn't have the knowledge of a truck. I'm not ashamed to say I didn't know much about a truck, right? Day by day, I'm learning. And there's a lot I learn now, and there's a lot I still don't know about, right? But you learn as you go. Just have the mindset that you will try to fix it and work at it as best as possible. If it works, it works. If it don't work, it doesn't work, but at least try. You know what I mean? So don't let anyone, don't look at even the comments. Sometimes I want to tell you guys to read the comments, and, you know, you can learn from it. And sometimes I don't want to say it because sometimes some people leave some comment and it throw me off. So can you imagine the person that want to try it? It will throw them off also. So what I'm saying, look at the positive side. Don't look at the negative. Look at the positive. Look at where I'm at now. You know what I mean? Because I have some surprises coming up, you know, guys. So don't worry. So that's what I'm saying. Look at where I'm at now with the person that didn't know anything about the truck, but know how to drive it. You know what I mean? Now I learn a lot because I own it. I try to know a lot. You know what I mean? There's a lot of people own things that don't know anything about the thing that they own. They're just managing it. They're just running it. They're the one that if invented, no, well, let me not say invented. They're the one that have the idea about the thing and employ the people to have that thing going. And the person that did have the idea don't even know, they had the idea, but they don't know the in-depth of everything, but they have people that work on it. What am I saying? I'm saying people can run business. You don't have to know everything about it. You just want to have the correct tool and the right information to get it done. You know what I mean? So do not let anyone discourage you from doing whatever you're new to, whatever you don't, because no business, nothing, whatever anyone you see doing it now and successful didn't go through trials, didn't go through errors, didn't go through failure, didn't go through a lot. You know what I mean? So you get the point. Now I have so much thing left to say. Like I said, I have a video to release after this one. I want you guys to check it out. It's coming up. And I'm back with you guys again. I'm going to try to drop at least 1 video every week, and then we're gonna go back to 2 videos, then we're gonna go to 3, and that's a promise I'm gonna make with you guys. So we're gonna have a lot more content coming up. I was a bit busy. I was doing so much. But anyway, that's all I want to say. And I think I show you some footage of the stock adjuster, the old one and the new one, you know what I mean? And that's about it, you know what I mean? You know, it's a boy Troystarz Trucking. I just want to give you guys an update. Because like I said, I don't hide anything from you guys. I want you guys to know what I'm going through. I keep it real, you know what I mean? I could have hide and be like, you know what, I don't want to tell him it wasn't the brake dust. I didn't want to tell him what it, no. I'm gonna come and tell you, if I'm wrong, I'm wrong. If I'm right, I'm right. That's it. That's what my channel is about. You can learn from it, I can learn from you. And thanks again to my commenter, my viewer, or my subscriber. Thanks again. If you are here, give me a link up in the comment section, and I will pin your comment to the top. And like I said, respect and thanks. And like I said, thank you guys for the 20,000 subscribers. I'm so pleased, you know what I mean? And we're gonna do something different for that. I think I'm gonna do a giveaway, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, Troystarz Trucking.
For more videos like this, please subscribe.